how to use Apollo.io, Apollo tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be telling you guys all about Apollo.io and of course how you can use it to make your business bloom and make it better than ever. For those who actually generally do not know, Apollo.io is one of those services that you actually just go on and get to make your business better in every aspect possible. They are a general, basically like a CRM, but also like of course like a business model firm. So when you get their of course like resources and when you get their platforms for your own business, you will be able to just use it and of course just make your business better. They're more like also like a sales intelligence and engagement platform, and of course when you do it for that, you will be using it for lead generation, maybe data collection, and maybe even for outreach. It's beneficial for, of course, B2B companies that require data points on business contacts, including phone numbers and email addresses. Of course, you can see their build pipeline deals right over here. Their, of course, contact and account searches, their scores and signals, the inbound optimization, which is, of course, creating a routing route for different, of course, people, and of course emails, meetings. It all connects to sales engagement, of course, with all of those. But of course, if we want to see it in action and if we want to see how the inside works, what you have to do is go over here. If you are a business yourself, you should just get a demo, and of course by clicking on it you can of course enter your details and everything and get a demo. Or if you're like a creator like me, just want to see things, you can say sign up for free and either sign up with your email, like with your work email. But since I don't have a work email, I will sign up with Google. I will choose one of my Google accounts for this and I will just say continue, and it will of course generally finish up the sign-in process. When it's done, it of course shows you what can the only end-to-end sales platform do for you. This is their Apollo introduction video. I'm just gonna say continue for this because I want to of course just go on and see how things work. Of course, then we got this screen. Welcome to Apollo. Find, email, call, and close more leads with their robust B2B database and end-to-end sales platform. Of course, we can just use their setups because they have a lot of setups here. And this is really useful. You can just click on it, for example, and say search for leads. And of course, if you want to do this, this is perfect. You can get their smart tool and everything. But I actually don't want to do that. I just want to see how things go. So for that, I will just say skip from the bottom, not bottom, top right parts. And it will take me to their onboarding hub. As you can see, it's my onboarding hub. It's more like your base screen, base place. And of course, when you are in this screen, you can do whatever you want. You can use it however you want. It shows you some, of course, since it's a trial account, it also shows you different extras. So if I click on tasks, you can see the task management software. It needs an upgrade to the basic version since this is the trial one. But of course, if you use it, you will be able to see what they are used for. For example, convert your conversions by conversations into winning strategies. I will just say see conversations in action. Of course, this is save time using the call summary and everything. I will say next. This basically creates an AI generated summary, and you can make follow-up emails turned into easy solutions. You can track parts of conversations and of course share with others easily. Basically, this is a 17 minutes video. This is a full-on 17-minute video, And using this, actually the conversation tool, is why basically most people will go on and get the, of course, program itself, because this basically tracks everything that has been said. Like this, as you can see different objections like busy, unfortunately, different discoveries, different engagements, and when you click on those, you can see these, of course, pieces, these words, and the transcripts. As you can see, you can like click on them and of course just listen to that part of the conversation, which of course, if you're like a business operative, if your job is to make sure every other job goes smoothly, you do not have time to watch those long videos and conversations yourself. That's why you use Apollo's, of course, conversations built-in feature. It gives you all the key topics through sentences like this, and of course if you use it like this, you will be able to just go on. Like for example, if you want to just hear Scott, you can just like go over and hear Scott. I'm going to stop this again, and maybe let's close the sound so it doesn't actually talk over me. And for example, if, like, as you can see, Scott Skinner is the head of GTM. If I want to see and hear what Scott's talking about, I can scroll over and see the blue parts, and of course hear what he's saying, see what's been said, and of course see everything word for word. Right now it's Brandon's talking, but yeah, right now it's Scott, for example, but like sounds close. You can hide transcript if you want. I'm going to show it because transcript is really useful. I can just like go on, maybe click on it like this, find this. It is like what, at the end of minute 3 mark, so around here. So it should be like, this is like 2-minute mark, this is 4-minute mark. Yeah, it should be around here. So you can even like hear, yes, or like right here, I'm kind of wondering this part. You can literally see everything you are searching for and find them. You even have some like summaries. As you can see, Scott Skinner explained Apollo's platform could help Brandon find the right leads at the right time, execute on those leads with personalized messages. Apparently this is like all written with AI, and they took some next steps. They have some objections, general like pain points and everything, and which is the most useful thing about this, because of course it tells you everything you need to know in a small summary, like of course text, wall of text like this. And of course, instead of hearing this 17-minute call, 18-minute call, you can just listen or hear or just read this outcome part, listen small parts, read the transcript, and go on with your day. Of course, everything is generally working like this. There are sequences with AI. The email is like just like an email thing. Calls work in the same way. Meetings, you can just set up meetings with the calendar. But of course, the AI tools like conversations are the bread and the butter of the thing. But of course, this is generally it, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.